My name is Aaron Collier, and I'm here at Octavia Gallery with a show that opens tonight entitled Of Rocks and Ruins. This is my first show at Octavia Gallery, and I'm very thankful to have the work here in the space. My wife, Kristen, and I have lived in New Orleans since 2003, and I teach painting and drawing at Tulane University. I'm definitely an artist who, rather than starting with a predetermined image that I execute, I'm an artist that really enjoys sort of adventuring along with the image, discovering its final resting place rather than knowing ahead of time exactly where it might be. So one of the things that I've had a lot of fun with in this show is piecing together these sort of craggy rock forms. But as I was doing so, I realized that many of them look like fingers. And so I started playing with the idea that there were also these shapes that were, rather than pointing up in the same way a mountain formation would, they are pointed down and more active in the composition. So you have the sort of static rock formations, something like that. You have these more static fragments that seem to refer to the landscape. You may have fragments that seem to refer to the human figure. And because of the color choice and because a lot of them appear in silhouette form, so you're not always sure which of those references are being referred to immediately. And again, that just goes back to the idea that our experience within the world is this sort of collection of fragment shards, and that we are piecing those things together. We're making sense out of those, and it's not always easy to do such a thing. And I hope that the paintings sort of inhabit that space where there is something familiar within them, but at the same time, maybe it's a color choice, maybe it's a shape, that there is something that confounds to some degree, and that the viewer gets to sort of sit in that in-between state of there being something familiar and that which is nearly unrecognizable.